ThriveCart knowledge base and support, accessing additional resources and troubleshooting solutions. ThriveCart's knowledge base and support, your gateway to expertise and solutions. ThriveCart is packed with features and capabilities, but even the most seasoned entrepreneur might need a helping hand now and then. That's where ThriveCart's comprehensive knowledge base and dedicated support team come in, ensuring you have all the resources and guidance you need to navigate the platform with confidence. Here's what you can expect. ThriveCart knowledge base. An extensive library of articles, tutorials, and FAQs, covering everything from getting started with the platform to setting up advanced features like funnels and automation. Search functionality and category organization. Easily find the information you need, whether you're looking for help with a specific feature or troubleshooting a technical issue. Step-by-step guides with screenshots and videos. Follow clear instructions and visuals to complete tasks effortlessly and learn new features at your own pace. Regularly updated content. ThriveCart ensures the knowledge base stays current with the latest platform updates and features. ThriveCart support team. Responsive and friendly support staff. Reach out via email, live chat, or phone and get your questions answered by knowledgeable and helpful experts. Priority support for higher tier plans. Receive faster response times and dedicated account management for your specific needs. Community forum. Connect with other ThriveCart users, share experiences, and get peer-to-peer advice. Here are some additional benefits of leveraging ThriveCart's knowledge base and support. Save time and frustration. Find answers quickly and avoid wasting time struggling with technical issues. Become a ThriveCart expert, enhance your understanding of the platform and discover new ways to optimize your funnels and grow your business. Build confidence. Knowing you have access to reliable support gives you the peace of mind to explore new features and experiment with the platform. Remember, ThriveCart's knowledge base and support are there to empower you. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, big or small. The team is dedicated to helping you make the most of ThriveCart and achieve your business goals. Here are some resources to get you started. ThriveCart knowledge base, https://support.thrivecart.com/ ThriveCart support center, https://support.thrivecart.com/ ThriveCart community forum, https://thrivecart.com/login/. Ready to unlock the full potential of ThriveCart and take your business to the next level? Utilize the platform's extensive knowledge base and dedicated support team, and embark on a journey of growth and success with confidence.